Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe to our channel. All we do is bring you Vegas. You're interested in Vegas, you landed here. That's all we do. Room tours, pool reviews, construction, traffic, everything happening in Vegas. All right guys, so we're doing a quick staycation one night at Caesar's Palace, and we're in the Augustus Tower. We love this tower, and we're gonna show you why. Let's start with the bathroom. Oh, by the way, this is room 3361. Let's go. This is it, guys. And you're gonna be like, you love the room because of the bathroom? Absolutely, because we like to have a lot of space, and so many of the rooms have cramped small bathrooms, and they don't have this over here. This is a jacuzzi tub. That's right. And after spending all day on the Las Vegas Strip, this is where we chill and relax. You also have a separate room for the toilet area. You don't need to know what that looks like. It's a toilet in there. But I love the extra privacy right there. Double sinks, plenty of room for your stuff. We're here for just one night this time, but we've stayed here 2-3 nights before, and this is always really nice for all of your stuff. And then, of course, got this big, I'm gonna show you how big it is, separate shower. 1, 2, 3, 4 people, easily. You can afford, it's Vegas, you never know, you might have 4 people in the shower. Leave your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, leave it at home. They got you covered right here. Let's check out the rest of the room. Just a big mirror right here. Oh, look at that. This is actually some new merch that we have in our shop. Check out our website. Big mirror, closet, safe for all of your chips. Let's get into the actual space now. So you got a big workstation right here. There's a lot of mirrors in here. Another big mirror right here. Big king size bed right here. I love this classic Vegas art that they have in the rooms too. Just neat little touches like that make your stay that much better. And of course, all of your charging is right here. So leave your extension cords and power strips at home. You've got 2 USB ports, 2 plugs right there. You've got a C-type, and you've got the just wireless charging right there as well. And don't worry, you still have plugs in the wall, but this is like where all of your devices are gonna be plugged into. And then right here, I mean, talk about being the room that everybody wants to come chill in before you guys go out. This is, look at this space, perfect. They do have a mini refrigerator, but you cannot just use it for your stuff. You're gonna get charged. And I've seen stories about people saying, oh, well, I just took their stuff out, but I put it back when I left. They charged me anyway. Just don't use it, because you're gonna go through that.
Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection.
You got more storage here. It is a big room though, so I figure you probably have plenty of people. And then you've got your coffee station. Now, you don't get free coffee in Vegas anymore in the hotel rooms, but you can use this Keurig for free. You just have to buy your own pods. Go to the ABC store, CVS, Walgreens, whatever, and just get a little box of Keurig pods, and you can use this in your room. Trust me, too. You can use it. You're not gonna get charged. Water goes there. Perfect. See, ready to brew. Let's turn that off. And then we've got a strip view over here, which is actually really nice. Let's take a look. Flamingo, The Link, Harrah's, TI over there, you see a little pitch, Venetian, Encore. Yeah, I mean, you have the whole strip down there. You can even see the guitar coming together at what used to be the Mirage that's being transformed to the new Hard Rock
in Las Vegas. And then over there, right by the strip, you can see all of that construction. That's gonna be the new party pool here at Caesar's Palace, right there. All right, guys, it's checkout day, and we only spent one night in this room. And people say, you don't come to Vegas for the room. Well, guess what? We love having this extra space. It's comfortable when we are in the room. I like to chill over here and have a cup of coffee while Chris is still in bed over there, and she doesn't hear me. I don't bother her. We absolutely love it. And of course, the bathroom, like I mentioned earlier. We love all the space in there, the separate toilet area, and the giant tub. The only disappointing thing, and I am going to call and let them know, is that the jacuzzi jets did not work. And that's why we stay in this room, like I said in the beginning, when we're out and about, because most of the time we're out of the room. We just come in to chill, sleep, but it did not work. So I am gonna give them a call and let them know. We didn't call yesterday because we weren't in here until after 11 p.m. And again, only staying one night. We're not gonna call maintenance and sit around and deal with all of that mess. So I'll let them know now so that they know the jets don't work and they can have it fixed before somebody else checks in here. That's a wrap on this one, guys. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you stayed at Caesars? What is your favorite tower? Let us know, and let us know why in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you watched it to this far, please subscribe to our channel if you're not already. It really helps us out, and it doesn't cost you anything. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. We appreciate you guys. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.